iOS 18 has a nice feature that did not get a lot of mention at WWDC, and that is the ability to record your calls and review the transcripts. Without further ado, let's get started. When you are calling someone, at the top left there is going to be a new icon there. Tapping on that will allow you to record the phone call, and all of the transcriptions will be saved in your Notes app. The important thing to know is that once the call is recorded, both parties will be notified that the call is being recorded. When you finish your call, you can open the particular note that saved the information regarding the call, and you'll be able to review the transcripts or listen to it. And that is it. That is how you can record phone calls, and it's going to be a very useful feature. I think some people are going to misuse it, but the bright side is that both parties will be notified when a call is being recorded. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and consider subscribing. Thank you all for the engagement, and until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.